Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih ke Sarkar Jelau Rakkam Sangma ulah kentat ban Jubab bagi Jingkeli Halor ke Jingpynïeng Kyrtong ke NPP na Gambegre constituency naga benta ke by election hadin wa MLA jong ke nikatan usaleng Sangma ulah no ya Rakkam hadin ke Jingsha penkiu kerdan hakipat ba jong ke constituency ban long kemu MP na po ketura parliamentary constituency nakaliang Rakkam Sangma habaya keren berkilat pathai hubor bentak kesengi khat saw trigo jeleo arajar arpusaw udah kintu penban bakin long ki baya sya parulo ong baya ke Kyrtong jong ne ke Kyrtong ki banyak kun na Gambegre constituency nakaliang ka seng kan sa penmi hadin bau presiden jong ka seng un khot ye ke jingalang bad ulah penti kenaru ba ke NPP kan ya kun ben haga by election na Gambegre constituency Rakkam ula ong ru hakabide bat kajing kentho bakipat ba kim kwa yo men jong u Konrad Sangma u James Piki Sangma ba un yakun na Gambegre constituency nakaliang Rakkam ula pentikna bakam don ka bakum kata kajing kentho henry kumunong yalam bala syempang hakakam udon ya kadaw ban yakun nakani ka constituency.
This circular is maybe fake, it may be correct. I don't know. I don't have any answer for all this. So,
from Gambegre, James Sangma or Mehtab?
No, I don't have any answer for all this. Just wait for the time. The time will tell you the things. Let's have the patience.
When the party is likely to decide?
I don't know because honorable president will take a call but I only one thing to confirm for you. NPP will be contesting Gambegre by election.
Sir, there are things that it said in Garo Hills that NPP leaders, legislators are against James Sangma contesting from Gambegre. They want Mehtab Chandi to contest from Gambegre.
No. I mean, nothing like that. This all our leaders are responsible.
Is there any rift?
No. I don't think so. So everybody is a mature politician, mature leaders. We have a millions of leaders to contest in the Gambegre, and so now you wait for time.
But sir, yesterday I think there was a meeting and where the people NPP supporters from Gambegre, they reached CM's residence demanding Mehtab Chandi's nomination from the party.
I don't have any information about this. Maybe this are all information, all videos, but I don't have any information.